Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to be talking about deactivating users within Salesforce. So deactivating users is kind of like deleting a user. I do want to make sure that you don't get it confused with freezing users. So freezing users blocks their access so they can't log in while you move over the records. Deactivating the user would then be taking them fully out of Salesforce without deleting them. So make sure that you go ahead and freeze them first before you deactivate them, not to mess up any records, but then you can deactivate them and then you can assign the license to someone else. So let's go ahead and jump into setup here. All right, let's go ahead and go to users. Now, deactivating can also really help with not causing issues with fully deleting that person, but while still maintaining that objective of trying to get the license back or taking them out of Salesforce, what have you. So let's go ahead and go into Chatter Expert. Now make sure that what you're looking for isn't a freeze and you've gone through that process already. If you want to go ahead and deactivate that user, let's go ahead and click Edit here. And then there's this little active checkbox here. Now it's going to give us a warning to make sure that you are really wanting to do this because it will remove them from all teams and sharing privileges, but you can still access those records. Let's go ahead and click OK here and then save. And there you go. We have deactivated that user. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. You can check out the courses down below or on salesforceupskill.com. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.